Hey everyone, Ryan from Foxtecc here. In today's video, I'm going to answer a common question. Can you turn off the double-click to install feature on your iPhone? Let's dive right in. First off, the double-click to install is actually a security feature on your iPhone. Whenever you download or purchase an app, you're required to double-click the side button to confirm your intent. This extra step might seem a bit inconvenient at times, but it plays an important role. This feature is designed to prevent accidental purchases or installs. Without it, it would be much easier to accidentally download an app or make a purchase, especially if you're moving quickly or if your phone is in your pocket. The double-click essentially acts as a safeguard, making sure that you're absolutely certain before moving forward with the download or purchase. Now, you might be wondering if there's a way to turn this feature off. The short answer is no. There's no direct setting on your iPhone that allows you to disable the double-click to install. Apple has built this feature into the system to ensure that transactions remain secure. It works hand in hand with Face ID or Touch ID to confirm that it's really you making the purchase, adding an additional layer of protection. So, while it might not be something you can turn off, understanding the purpose behind it might help you appreciate why it's there. It's all about making sure your transactions are safe and that you don't end up with unexpected charges. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you found this information useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tips. See you guys later.